Hello John, today I'll show you how to convert a PDF file to a PNG images using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Open up PDF for a Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Now select this convert option top menu bar and this to image option click here. This dialog box now open. You can add here multiple files at once or you can select current files and you can choose specific page range. I select on page and image format PNG already selected as downsample DPI. You can change it and keep it original and open folder after creation after the convert, or you can select SSB folder and convert to settings. As it is, our image is now created. And this is. And this image format, see this page. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment.